What it do? BC Breakers back at ya. And you know what day it is. It's Sunday, aka Dare to Tear Day. Come on. Gonna rip this 10 out of 25 rookie Dare to Tear. Gonna do this bad boy. I think I've only seen one video of someone tearing one of these. So I'm gonna do it. But before that, got a come on down there. Fresh Haze IPA from Deschutes. This guy is really yummy. It's a hot day outside. Cheers. Oops. We went crooked. So, for good luck, since we're gonna find a mini, I got a Henry Ruggs red mini rookie, and of course, my Justin Herbert chrome rookie. Focus. Herbert, baby. Bring in the love. Let's bring the love in. Let's find something amazing in that box. In that box. In that card. Never had to say that before. In that card. I'm going to find something in that card. But we can't just do a video of this, so I got the only thing I could find. Something to rip real quick beforehand. Score. Wow, that's sharp. Right through the box. Retail is really hard to come by in Oregon. Can't find anything good, so it's the best I could find on a quick search without going to hoodies. We got a thick card in there. Emmanuel Hall rookie. Jalen Ferguson rookie. Montez Sweat. Jawan Moore, Miles Boykin, Gary Jennings, Abraham, Anthony, Josh Jacobs, Anthony Farrell, Bryce Love, not bad. Julio, all hands on deck, Julio. Saquon Barkley, that's sick looking. Epic. Derek Carr. I hope you lose out to Mariota. Aaron Donald. Michael Thomas, Mr. Badass. Yelton, all hands team. Carson Wentz. Khalil Mack. Todd Gurley. Jimmy Garoppolo. Williams, rookie. Melvin Gordon with the Bolts. I wonder how he's going to do this year. Dak Prescott, captains. Lockett, celebration. Looks like he's shooting a hoop. A.J. Brown. Todd Gurley, captains. Thielen. Farrell. Stafford. Greg Olson. Pull on a couple of these real quick. D.D. Westbrook, purple. Anthony. And Johnny Doxson, rookie, purple. That's nice. Saints, huddle up, purple. We got Greg Olson, Seattle Seahawks. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. And an Ito Smith. And our patch card, Julio Peppers, defenders for the Browns. Nice brown chunk patch there. Not chunk, but brown napkin. Brown napkin, come on. Alright, now time for what y'all been waiting for. Cheers. Rub me some Herbert here. Bring some good luck. So I haven't even looked into how I'm going to open this up. I saw my homie Matt opening one up with a knife, and people were like, no, not the knife, no, not the knife. But how else are we supposed to get into it? I feel like the knife is appropriate. To flip that bad boy up. Here we go. We're going to dare to tear. You heard it here first. BC Breakers. Terrell, I believe. Terrell Davis. Boom. Legends. Terrell Davis. Broncos. This is a green, white snow or something like that. I don't know what the dealie is, what the prism is. It's a prism. Snow white or something like this. I have a LeBron that's like this, similar. Looks sick. So, I found the LeBron. Here's the LeBron with the same prism. This is LeBron James Spectra. White Sparkle is what it's called. White Sparkle case hit. That LeBron's a case hit, so I don't know. I guess this is a case hit too, because I believe the Dare to Tears are case hits. So, White Sparkle case hit. Terrell Davis. Where's my Denver Bronco fans at? Where them Broncos at? Nice. That was fun. I enjoyed that. BC Breakers out. I wouldn't mind doing another one of those. Wouldn't mind it. BC Breakers out. Thanks for watching.